Hello everyone, this is a quick video on a great social media scheduling tool which is currently on Appsumo for a lifetime deal starting at $69 per month, and the name of this tool is Sociamonials. Now this is a great tool because not only does it allow you to schedule social media posts on different platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, even Pinterest and Google My Business, but it also allows you to run social media viral contests. Now let's take a look at this website, sociamonials.com. As you can see over here that it is trusted by over 9,200 plus agencies, and you will see beautiful dashboard of creating a campaign and social contest. You can incentivize sharing, you have access to social CRM, approval workflow. So if you are a team leader or a social media manager, then obviously your subordinates or your clients will have access so that they can approve the workflow. You can also run contest and sweepstakes. Alright, so if I come down further, you will see that you get some outstanding analytics as well, ready to go reports, social media reports, which will allow you to see and understand which posts are doing really good and what time you can post. Now if I go back to the header page, then you can see the features over here. It allows you social publishing, user generated content, which is UGC, social media campaigns, share buttons, and social analytics. So when it comes to social publishing, then Sociamonials makes it really easy for you and your team to preview your post, schedule auto reposting, and simply publish on different platforms like I said, GMB, Instagram, Facebook, link, Twitter, and YouTube, all in one step. Right? And when it comes to analytics, they provide some beautiful reports and pie charts, and you can even download these reports and show it to your management. You can measure the funnel, you can track social ROI, you can see which post is giving you revenue or leads, and if you come down further, then it will also shorten and track all the links automatically to save time and provide reporting on each post. And it will also protect your brand. You have user accounts with detailed permissions, which include feature and social account user access. So if you have a big team, then obviously you can set certain permissions. You can publish approval workflows even via mobile or desktop. You can even edit links even after they have been retweeted. All right, and let's check out the second feature that they have, which is UGC, user generated content. Now there are more than one ways to share, so potential buyers are 10 times more likely to trust a peer review than information provided by a brand when considering a purchase. Sociamonials allows you to collect and display video, photo, and text user generated content from your community. So you must have seen, especially on Instagram, that many people, they tag your account and they post a picture or a video, and then you can, that is called UGC, user generated content, where you can also repost or reshare. You can reshare video testimonials, photos, or user stories. And when it comes to protecting your brand, providing analytics, it's really very, very solid. When it comes to integrations, they have some really good integrations with tools like MailChimp, email marketing tool like Aweber, CRM tool like Salesforce, Infusionsoft, Zapier, Platformly, MailerLite, which is very unique, GetResponse, another solid email marketing tool, Pabbly, SendFox, and ActiveCampaign. All right, so, and then the third feature that they have is social media campaigns, wherein you can run social and viral contests. You can launch social campaigns like this in minutes with no help from IT. You don't need any need of help from IT, or you don't need any coding help to really launch testimonials or viral contests. You can run viral sweepstakes, share a deal, you can give weekly giveaways, you can run video contest, photo contest, essay contest, photo sharing, sign up landing pages, and all of this can be done very easily from using Sociamonials from inside the dashboard. Now all of this you are getting, if you look at their pricing page, then you will see that they have a free plan for 14 days, a trial plan for 14 days, but when it comes to paid plan, then they start off with $15 per month, and then that gives you access to 10 social profiles, 10 RSS feeds, unlimited scheduling, but it comes with only just one user. So you see over here, free 14-day trial. So this might be pretty limited when it comes to agencies or companies who have more than one user. But then the second best is social and campaigns, which is starts at which is $39 per month, billed annually at $468 annually. Again, over here you have one user, and only when you go to the business plan do you get 3 users. And then from $119 it jumps straight away to $319 per month. It gives you 30 users. So if you look at this, for most agencies or companies, the $119 per month plan fits because you get minimum of 3 users. Even that might not be really sufficient. If you look down further, then you get social pro features, advanced analytics, 1,000 campaigns, entries per month, unlimited landing pages, unlimited pop-ups and sticky tab widgets, email autoresponders, photo contest, and all of these, testimonials, weekly giveaways, UGC, and all. But if you look at this, it looks really expensive. And then I'm jumping straight away to Appsumo, which is a website where you get lifetime deals. You pay only once in lifetime and you don't have to pay ever again. So if you look at the Sociamonials lifetime deal, it is costing just $69 for a lifetime. Instead of paying $69 over here, it's somewhere between $39 and $119. You are paying $69 for lifetime, and you get pretty much all the features that are there on their website. Take over social campaigns with automated posting, viral giveaways, and advanced metrics. And if you what they offer is scheduling social posts with automatic repost, optimized for revenue. It's an alternate to a tool like Hootsuite, which is a market leader when it comes to social media. You can integrate UGC, launch engaging contests and sweepstakes, and track your influencers. So it says that it is best for social media agencies and digital marketers who are looking to really scale their social media presence, looking for real ROI on their efforts. If you come down further, you will see a screenshot over here wherein this is from a social media contest. It shows one entry and how many days left, and then it asks you to tweet a link of the website or share of a website on LinkedIn or visit the blog, and they get more entries. So this is a preview of a dashboard of analytics, and then this is the marketing calendar wherein whatever you have posted over here or scheduled rather, it will show up over here along with the icons of the social media platforms. So here for instance it shows Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn and Instagram, right? And then if you come down further, this is again another screen grab for a weekly giveaway. And what do you get in this plan and feature, which is starts at $69 for a lifetime? You must redeem your code within 60 days of purchase. These are standard terms and conditions for any Appsumo deal. You get all future plan updates. You can stack up to 10 codes. So you can increase your entry limit. If you want to increase your entry limit for the viral giveaways by 10,000 entries per month, you only have to pay $10 per month extra. You can also increase your maximum users for just $10 per user per month. You get lifetime custom domain campaign for a one-time payment of $95 per domain. And then it also gives you agency white label. It requires minimum of 5 codes. So if you are a social media agency, then if you are going to give away sub accounts, then it allows you to white label agency. And then you have 60-day money back guarantee no matter the reason. So this is one of the biggest advantages that Appsumo provides, is that for any tool that you purchase, you get 60 days to return, right? So what's included in this deal? You get unlimited scheduling, you get 3 users. So when it comes to 3 users, you have over here the business plan, which is $119 per month. So you're getting this deal for just $69 for a lifetime. But if you want to increase the number of users, then you will have to pay $10 per month per user, right? You can remove Sociamonials branding from campaigns, publishing approval workflows, detailed user permissions. You also get Android and iOS mobile app, unlimited landing pages, pop-ups and sticky widgets, all those contests that I just spoke of, testimonials, product reviews and customer stories, custom submission forms. You get all those premium integrations, and you also get 1 million stock photos, which is again a big advantage. So you're getting 1 million stock photos that you can easily use in your social media posts, right? So here, if you see, you're getting full list of features, 1 workspace, 30 social media profiles, and this single code of $69, But if you want to go for a double code, it'll cost you $138 for a lifetime. But here you get 2 workspaces, you get 60 social profiles and 10,000 maximum entries. And if you increase the number of codes, obviously the features also increase. So you can stack up to 10 codes maximum, which will give you 10 workspaces, 300 social profiles, and 50,000 max campaigns. And this is agency branded dashboard. Right, further down you will see a note from the founder or the creator of Sociamonials, and you will see some reviews as well, some feedback from customers who have purchased this tool. You can read through these and decide if it's right fit for you or not. But for me, the most important thing and the most unique thing is that you can post on Google My Business and Pinterest and the social viral giveaway contest. Now this is really very unique because previously Appsumo launched around 3 to 4 different social media tools like Publer, and there were a couple of more which did not have this social media contest. Now Sociamonials is something which has this, and since you're getting it for a lifetime, it's really worth spending $69 or $138 just at a one-time cost. So check it out, check out the video and check out the page. If it fits, then I would recommend that you go for it. So if you have any questions, please write in the comments below. Until the next video, take care.